Welcome back to Backroad Journals.
Welcome back. We just want to give you a little update because we've been pretty absent from adventures over the last few weeks. And we thought we're going to tell you why, because as I said last week, we did a thing.
We did a thing.
Let's have a look at what that thing is.
What you doing?
I'm undoing the brackets.
Why are you undoing the brackets?
Because we're going to take the tent off. That's what we're going to do.
Why are we taking the tent off?
I think we're going to get a new roof rack today.
You think so?
Yeah. It should be here within the hour, I've heard.
You excited?
If the rumors are true, yeah, I'm excited about it.
Awesome. That is the damage to the roof from the roof rack. It's something we're going to have to fix. We don't have time to fix it before we go here, but that will need to be dealt with. More damage.
There we go. See, I'm good. Getting you first. Got it.
The top's going to be cleaner than the rest of the Jeep.
Pardon?
The top's going to be cleaner than the rest of the Jeep. This is a lot more parts than the other one. The other one didn't come in two big boxes like that. That looks like we got another tent there.
Oh, did you get it off? Long day. Yeah, the blanket should come with it, right? You got it on the other side? Okay.
And there you have it. So we've had the roof rack for about 18 hours, and I think we've now put in 10 hours to set it up. A few complications, but we figured it out. We are super, super excited to have this. We're so tired of the incapability of the old roof rack and the damage it was doing. And I'm sure you were tired of hearing about it. And we had to fix the roof rack again. Okay, so we're pulled over again because we're having roof rack issues again. And we are having problems with our roof rack.
Have significant problems with our roof rack. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, the squeaking. That's the roof rack. Just wanted to point that out.
So fingers crossed, all will be good going forward.
Okay, so that's exciting news. We just had to make a decision here because we're going on a big trip. By the time you're watching this video, we're out on the ferry at this point, are we not?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to be on the ferry at this point by the time this video is published. So we did need something that we can rely on more than on the old roof rack, which really became a pain in the neck. And we made that decision after our last trip up north with our friends Marilyn and Jason, because it was just clunking all over the place, and it was just time to move on. So we did.
I'd also like to thank my dad so much for helping us install the roof rack. You made it so much smoother for us.
Yeah, because the instructions to this thing, they were not good. So
Thank you, Dad.
thank you, Dad. And so far, while we're taking it down the trail here, there's no clunking, no squeaking, no nothing.
No, we're pretty happy.
It's very pleasant. Anyways, we did a few other things. We had to bring in the Jeep for service before we go on our trip.
Okay, Holger's just going to take the Jeep in for an oil change and a once-over before our trip.
I think we're ready to go. We just got to pack up our stuff, and we will see you wherever we may be next week. With that said, we are hoping that we will be able to stick to our regular posting schedule, which is Sunday morning at 10 o'clock Pacific Standard. With that said, we don't really know if we're going to have internet when it comes time to upload. So, but we will keep you in the loop on that. But the goal is to post on Sunday mornings, 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Yeah, that's it. We're looking forward to the trip. One last thing, we want to give a shout out to Rob, who we met in Tofino on the dock when we came back from our island adventure. It was really nice meeting you, as well as to Ian.
Yeah.
Who we met in the Walmart parking lot here in town, who stopped by and said hello, and we really appreciate that. And if you see us driving along or see us somewhere, please feel free to say hello. We really like to meet you and get to know you as well. And it's always nice to chat and connect.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm rambling. Let's move on. We got to pack up stuff up. So we will see you next week from hopefully a very exciting location, because that's what it's going to be.
We'll see you next week.
See you next week. Take care. Bye.